Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use templates in Microsoft Office Word. First, you're going to open File and gonna click More Templates. In here, you can search however templates you want. For example, letter. Here you can see there's so many letters as you can choose. Example, and another example is resume. Here is the resume templates that you can choose. So how you can use this template? First, you're going to click it and click create. Then it will show you the finished template that you can edit and however you prefer. For example, this name. So for example, what's your name? You're gonna put your name, and that's pretty much it.